Imagine cutting into a cake that's incredibly soft and fluffy, and with every bite, you get that fresh, sweet orange flavor. Today, we're making a beautiful orange sponge cake using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. And wait until you see the inside. It's light, airy, and perfectly moist. Let's start with 3 eggs in a large mixing bowl. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of freshly grated orange zest. Next, add 2/3 cup of sugar. Now start beating the eggs, sugar, and orange zest together. Take your time with this step because it's really important for getting a light and fluffy cake. Keep beating until the mixture becomes pale, foamy, and increases in volume. You'll notice the texture becoming much lighter and airier. Once the egg mixture is nice and foamy, add 1/4 cup of oil. Pour it in gradually and beat the mixture again until everything is well combined. Using oil helps keep this cake wonderfully soft and moist, even after it has completely cooled. And just look at that mixture. It should still be smooth, light, and airy. Place a strainer or fine sieve over the mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sifting is another simple step that helps us achieve a lighter sponge because it removes any lumps and aerates the flour. Instead of adding all the flour at once, sift it into the batter gradually. After each addition, gently mix or fold it into the egg mixture before adding more. And this part is important. Don't overmix the batter. Now for even more delicious orange flavor, add 1/4 cup of orange juice to the batter and gently mix again until combined. For the best flavor, freshly squeezed orange juice works beautifully here. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of orange essence. Give everything one last gentle mix. At this point, the batter should look smooth and creamy with an amazing fresh orange aroma. And our orange sponge cake batter is ready. If you enjoyed this orange sponge cake recipe, give the video a like, subscribe for more easy homemade recipes, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to bake next. For this recipe, I'm using an 8-inch cake mold. Lightly grease the inside of the mold with oil, then place baking paper on the bottom. This will make removing the cake much easier after baking. Now, gently pour all of that beautiful orange cake batter into the prepared mold. Once the batter is in, lightly tap the cake mold a few times on your work surface. This helps release any large air bubbles trapped inside. Don't tap it too hard. We still want to keep our batter nice and airy. Our cake is ready for the oven. Place the cake inside and bake for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. And here is our freshly baked orange sponge cake. Look at that beautiful golden top. Let the cake cool slightly before removing it from the mold. Once it's cool enough to handle, carefully unmold it and remove the baking paper. Now comes the best part. Let's slice it. Look at the inside. It's beautifully soft, fluffy, and spongy with that lovely orange flavor running throughout the cake. This is such a simple cake to enjoy with tea or coffee, and it's also delicious all on its own. If you enjoyed this orange sponge cake recipe, give the video a like, subscribe for more easy homemade recipes, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to bake next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.